Hello everybody and welcome to Uprising 144K. I'm Hydrogen Man. So before I go on, I always like to tell you guys I am not giving you any medical advice and I am not making any medical claims. With that being said, what I want to talk today is how to protect your DNA, even RNA, from a snake bite or snake venom. I am doing this video, a lot of requests about this, and there is actual science, guys. You can go read a lot about it. There is a website called holyhydrogen.com, which has the best hydrogen generator in the world at this time that makes both the water and the gas. That's actually what I use. And they have a lot of the scientific information there, so you can read about how hydrogen has been shown to be good, basically protecting DNA and RNA. Why is this important? Because there is something out there right now that seems to be having an effect on our DNA and RNA, and you want something to protect it. And the combination that I have ultimately found and I use, and I actually just had blood work to find out more about this, it was really quite interesting, that using the extremely clean water, which I use a carbon distiller from mypurewater.com, I've made videos about it before. If you want a discount code, Uprising144K will give you a discount if you want to use it. Now, if you make that super clean water and then you put it in your hydrogen generator, the 2021 Lourdes Hydrofix Premium, mouthful, then you follow the proper protocols, which I have on video 337. I got all my videos numbered. And doing this seems to actually, well, according to the science, it does protect your DNA and RNA. And we know that these snake bites and whatever do have an effect on our DNA. In fact, there was a study, I believe it was from Switzerland, a very, very new study showing that that is the case. And again, we have research showing how protective hydrogen is. When I had my blood work, I know I've been exposed to different, let's just say viruses out there, if you want to put it that way, or snake bites or whatever. According to my blood work though, and this is not one blood test, I've done this one more times than I can remember. I think I've done it 4 or 5 times, and it just keeps showing that nothing is happening in regards to showing that I've been exposed, I guess you could say. Somehow I'm being protected, and I don't think it's like a magic trick or anything. It's just knowing what to do. We know that hydrogen is extremely protective to the body, to the cells, to the mitochondria, to the DNA. We know it's extremely protective, and the good news is that it's accessible, because hydrogen machines that were good back in the day were like $11,000. Now they're much more affordable, though as many of my viewers know, I don't like a lot of the hydrogen stuff out there. I'm definitely not into hydrogen pills. They really don't work. They don't appear to be good for you. Japan said no more, we're not gonna allow our people to use those because they don't appear to be good for you. Or the cheap Chinese little bottles, like little portable bottles, those are not good. You got to get a really true hydrogen generator that is a very high quality and does it correctly. At least that's my opinion, guys. I am a hydrogen expert, and I'm just sharing with you what I personally recommend and what I see work also. So hopefully this answers people's questions. Hey, how can I protect my DNA? How can I protect my RNA? Or even if you've already gotten bit by a snake, as they say, or whatnot, it can also still be extremely beneficial to try to turn things around. It even helps with gene expression, guys. Again, this is something that seems to also be trying to affect this thing that's going around, or the snake bite if you want to call it, seems to be having also an effect on our possibly gene expression. And so this is very important to find a way to litigate this, and so far hydrogen is the biggest thing that I've found that is just, it's the best thing. So I'm sharing this information with you guys. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to share it, by the way. That's a really, really big one. Share this with people out there. There's a lot of people out there who do not know that there's an option out there like that, especially something that's backed by science, that's the real deal. It's really quite impressive. And then don't forget to support the channel, as I appreciate that a lot from everybody viewing. And subscribe, hit the like button, share, basically all that good stuff to help get the word out. And that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time on the next one.